Now our motto determine V0 with the help of nodal analysis. So how can we do it? How can do it? Okay. First of all, we have considered that is our motto with the help of nodal analysis. So we have taken ductum node here. This one is also ductum node. Okay. Now, if this one is V1, that is V2, and here V3, and here V4, and here V4 also. Okay. We have taken here I1, I2, here I3 current, here I4 current, here I5 current, clear or not? Here I6 current, clear or not? Current in all both. Now after that, if this one is V1, so V1 minus 0, V1 minus 0, this will be equal to how much? Minus 6. So V1 is written as minus 6, equation number 1. Better to have only 6 volt. Clear or not? V1 is minus 6 volt. Now next target is V4 minus V3. V4 minus V3, that is V0. So if you determine, that is equation number 1. Our motto determine V4 and V3. Then put this value, we got V4. I know, V0. Okay. Now next target is V4 minus V2. V4 minus V2 is equal to 12 volt. Equation number 2. Okay. Clear or not? Now next target is I3 plus I4. I3 plus I4, this will be equal to 2 ampere. I3 is written as V2 minus V3 divided by 2. I4 is written as V4 minus V3 divided by 2. This will be equal to 2. So V2 plus V4 minus 2 times V3, this will be equal to 4, equation number 3. Okay. V2 plus V4 minus 2 V3, this will be equal to 4. Now, again, apply KCL. Here I1, here I2. I1 plus I2. Apply supernode. I1 plus I2. Okay. Plus I5 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Apply supernode. Clear or not? Clear or not? I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2, this will be equal to I1 incoming current I1 plus I2 plus I5 and plus I2. This will be equal to 2 by 2 milliampere. That this will be equal to 0. Clear or not? Apply supernode concept. Okay. Or you can say that I1 plus I2, this will be equal to I6. Okay. You can do another way. I1, if you any doubt, then this will be equal to I6. And here I6 plus I5 plus I6 plus I5 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. So I6 is written as minus I5 minus 2. If this value put here, then I1 plus I2, if or you can say that is 0. So put this value, we got I5 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Simple. Okay. Clear or not? So what about I1? I1 is V4 minus V1 divided by V1 is minus 6. So better to write, first of all write now here 1 plus I2 is written as V2 minus V1. How much? 1 kilo ohm. I5 is V2 minus 0 divided by 1 and plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Now put this value, V1 is minus 6. So minus V1 minus, so plus 6 that is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So V4 plus 2 times V2, this 12 plus 2, 14 plus 14 this will be equal to 0. Clear or not? 14 or better to write this will be equal to minus 14. Equation number 4. V4 minus V2 this will be equal to 12 and V4 plus 2V2 this will be equal to minus 14. Our motto determine V4. Okay, so how V4 and V2 from these two equations. Here V4 minus V2 this will be equal to 12. Equation number 2. Here minus, here plus, here minus. That is 3V2. This will be equal to minus 2, 6. Okay. So V3 is written as, V2 is written as minus 26 divided by 3. Okay, clear or not? Recheck again. V4 minus V2 this will equal to 12. V4 minus V2 this will equal to 12. And this one V4 plus 2V2, 6 and plus 2, 14. Moving on other side, there is minus 14. And this will put here. Here minus plus minus. That is 0 and that is 3V2 and that is minus 26. So V2 this will be equal to minus 26 by 3 volt. Okay. And so what about V4? V4 is written as 12 plus V2 means 26 by 3. 36 that is 10 by 3. So V4 is 10 by 3, V2 is minus 26 by 3. Okay. If these two value put here, then we got V3. V3 is 2V3 is written as V2 plus V2 means minus 26 by 3 plus V4 10 by 3 and minus 4. Okay. 26 that is 16 minus 16 by 3. We got minus 16. That is 28 by 3. 28 by 3. So V3 is written as how much? Minus 14 by 3 volt. Minus 14 by 3 volt. Now if this value put here, V4 minus V4. So V0 is written as V4 is 10 by 3. Okay. V3 is minus 14 by 3. So minus minus plus 14. That is 14 by 3. That 24 by 3, that is 8 volt is the final answer. Make it. Clear or not? Okay. So V0 is 8 volt. Simply, I know that our motto determine V0 with the help of nodal analysis. So how can do it? First of all, we have taken ductum node, choose ductum node, that is 0 voltage, 0 voltage, 0 voltage. After that, if this one is a 0 voltage, then is V1, here V2, here V3, here V4. V1 is also written as minus 6 volt and V4 minus V2 is 12, V4 minus V3 is V0, and after that apply KCL at that node, after that apply KCL here at that node, super node. Okay, then we got this one after the solving, and final answer is 8 volt is the final answer. Make it.